So here's an unboxing of the electric Enduro e-bike frame, which I purchased from Andy Kirby's website, Cloudstone. I will put a link in the description. You've probably seen other unboxings of the Enduro e-bike, but I'm going to go through the complete build of this bike and the problems I come across. Hopefully this will help others who are just starting out. Inside the box is the main frame, the swing arm and a bag with an assortment of parts. A nut had come loose in transportation that was supposed to be screwed to the swing arm mounting bolt. As you can see, when I remove the swing arm, the mounting bolt has become lodged at a funny angle, which needed a little persuasion to remove. The bottom bracket is 100mm in width with a square taper length of 145mm. Also included are the pedal fixing bolts. The dropout in this position is 155mm. You can flip the brackets to the inside and that will give you 135mm. There is an M10 threaded hole for a standard derailleur and a 10mm axle gap. The brake mount is a standard IS mount for 160 to 225mm discs. The headset is included and the seal bearings were already installed. They come with two different bottom rings for 1/1/8 or tapered forks. The bearings have a tapered edge on one side and the bottom one had been installed the wrong way on my frame. The bearing came out easily and was installed the right way. The tapered edge must be facing outwards. The swing arm bearing is a 6001Z and uses deep groove ball bearings. Inside the frame you will find the seat post mount and clamp, and the seat post size is 31.6mm. You will also find two of the 4 seat post mount bolts. In the bag you will find 2 more seat post mount bolts, 1 shock bracket, 2 shock through bolts, and the parts to fit the front steering, and I will show how these go together in part 2. The nuts and washers on these 2 bolts belong to the 2 bolts for the shock mount. When you remove the bottom plastic cover, you can see the holes for wires to pass through and a bar with adjustable slots for different mounting positions. The cover also has 3M tape fitted. In part 2, I will fit the rear swing arm and the rear shock, which had 2 problems to sort out, and I will also be fitting the front forks. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.